is the most sugarcane? A. Uttar Pradesh. B. Bihar. C. Maharashtra. Correct answer is A. Uttar Pradesh. Which color is considered a symbol of peace? A. White. B. Red. C. Blue. Correct answer is A. White. Where do cars from 1919 still run today? A. Pakistan. B. Cuba. C. Nepal. Correct answer is B. Cuba. People of which country study the most? A. Japan. B. India. C. South Korea. Correct answer is C. South Korea. The wood of this tree is more expensive than gold. Which tree is it? A. Sandalwood tree. B. Teak tree. C. Shisham tree. Correct answer is A. Sandalwood tree. Which state in India has the most universities? A. Uttar Pradesh. B. Maharashtra. C. Tamil Nadu. Correct answer is A. Uttar Pradesh. Where did the first train run in India? A. Mumbai to Thane. B. Delhi to Agra. C. Kolkata to Hooghly. Correct answer is A. Mumbai to Thane. In which state do the world's most beautiful elephants live? A. Assam. B. Kerala. C. Karnataka. Correct answer is B. Kerala. Which animal sleeps while standing? A. Horse. B. Cow. C. Elephant. Correct answer is A. Horse. Which animal can see in the dark? A. Cat. B. Dog. C. Horse. Correct answer is A. Cat. In which country was the tank invented? A. Germany. B. Britain. C. France. Correct answer is B. Britain. The seed of which fruit immediately neutralizes scorpion venom? A. Guava. B. Papaya. C. Tamarind seed. Correct answer is C. Tamarind seed. Which bird has colorful feathers? A. Parrot. B. Peacock. C. Pigeon. Correct answer is A. Parrot. Which country has the banana as its national tree? A. Bangladesh. B. Sri Lanka. C. Nepal. Correct answer is A. Bangladesh. Where was Lord Ram born? A. Ayodhya. B. Mathura. C. Varanasi. Correct answer is A. Ayodhya. Which country has the world's most expensive petrol? A. Hong Kong. B. Saudi Arabia. C. America. Correct answer is A. Hong Kong. Which state is called the heart of India? A. Uttar Pradesh. B. Madhya Pradesh. C. Bihar. Correct answer is B. Madhya Pradesh. When did the Jallianwala Bagh massacre occur? A. April 13, 1919. B. August 15, 1947. C. January 26, 1950. Correct answer is A. April 13, 1919. Which is the smallest state in India by area? A. Goa. B. Sikkim. C. Tripura. Correct answer is A. Goa. Whose birthday is celebrated as National Sports Day? A. Major Dhyan Chand, B. Kapil Dev, C. Sachin Tendulkar. Correct answer is A. Major Dhyan Chand.